How you doing, sir? I'm with ICE. We just want to ask you a few questions and then we'll let you on your way. What state is known as the Sunshine State?
Florida.
Finish the last words of this song. God bless the
USA.
And last question.
Come on, man.
Say the word hurry. What's wrong, sir?
You want me to say that word?
Can you say the word hurry?
Yeah, I can say that word.
Is that hard for you to say?
You sure of that word?
Well, go ahead and say that word, sir. Let me hear you say hurry.
Harry.
Put your damn hand.
Last night, it's up to call sex. But if that doesn't work, then
yesterday.
yesterday.
Yesterday. Até o que roupa.